Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to open the menu. And to open the menu, press and hold the up/menu button. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you select the system option. And once you select the system option, press the GPS button to enter. Now scroll through the menu, select the reset option, and once you select the reset option, press the GPS button to enter. Here, scroll down, select the delete data and reset settings, press the GPS button, and then press the GPS button to confirm and start the resetting process. Beware though, if you perform the factory reset on your watch, you will lose all of your settings and data from the watch. So let's press the button. Another thing worth to mention is if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery on it is charged, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure you charge your battery, or before starting the reset you can plug your watch to a charger just in case, and then select yes and press the GPS button to confirm and start the resetting process. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.